Listen to me. Y'all are stuck in the biggest financial trap of all time. You think time equals money is the only way, but that's old thinking keeping you broke. Today I'm sharing 7 game-changing strategies that'll help you make more money without trading every hour of your life. Let's go! Number 1. Stop charging by the hour. Charge by the value you create. Listen, when you price by hours, you're capping your income. But when designer Steve Schoger realized developers needed design skills, he created refactoring UI and made 2.3 million D. Same knowledge, different packaging. Here's what you do. Ask yourself, what problem am I solving? How much is that worth to my client? A $500 logo that brings in $50,000 in sales? That's value, baby. Point 2. Build it once, sell it forever. Y'all need to understand this. Your knowledge is sitting there doing nothing. Pat Flynn created smart passive income courses and now makes over $100,000 monthly. He packaged his podcasting knowledge into courses that sell 24/7. Take your expertise, create an online course, ebook, or template. Sell it while you sleep. That's how you break free from trading time for money. Tip 3. Your money should work harder than you do. Michelle from Making Sense of Sense makes over $100,000 monthly through affiliate marketing, courses, and blog ads. She built systems that generate income, whether she's working or vacationing in Hawaii. Start with one stream, maybe affiliate marketing or dividend stocks. Master it, then add another. Don't try to do everything at once. Number 4. Let robots handle the busy work. Smart entrepreneurs use tools like Zapier, ConvertKit, and Calendly to automate repetitive tasks. Buffer's CEO Joel Gascoigne automated his social media scheduling and freed up 10 hours weekly for high-value activities. Identify your repetitive tasks. Find tools to automate them. Use that time for money-making activities. Point 5. Become irreplaceable in the marketplace. AI specialists are earning 150,000 plusers because there's high demand and low supply. Data scientists, cybersecurity experts, and specialized marketers command premium rates because their skills solve expensive problems. Pick one high-value skill. Master it. The market will pay you what you're worth. Tip 6. Make people come to you. Gary Vaynerchuk built Wine Library TV from his family's liquor store into a personal brand worth millions. Now clients pay premium rates because they want Gary specifically, not just any marketer. Share your expertise online. Be consistent. Build trust. Premium clients will seek you out. Number 7. Work on your business, not just in it. Jeff Bezos didn't pack every Amazon box. He built systems that scale. McDonald's makes billions, not because they flipped the best burgers, but because they created systems anyone can follow. Document your processes. Create templates. Build systems that work without you. That's true freedom. You got everything you need right now. Stop waiting for permission. Your success is in your hands. What are you going to do with that power? If this helped you break free from the time for money trap, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Next week, here on Kite Mean, I'm showing you exactly how to validate your first digital product idea. You don't want to miss it. Remember, time might be money, but your value is unlimited. Go make it happen.